Hey, what's up, guys? It's Crypto Clay here, and I'm currently sitting at the airport waiting for a friend. I just thought I'd do a quick video talking about the market. So, obviously, we've reached a new all time high this year for the year. Obviously, not a new all time high for Bitcoin because we reached 20,000 back in 2017, but definitely a new all time high for this year. So, really great stuff there. If you watched my last video, then you know that I was talking about this, that I thought Bitcoin was due for a little bit of volatility, and we're currently seeing that. So awesome stuff there. This is really great signs for the market. I was reading an article about on CoinDesk today, though, talking about what this rally is coming from, what they believe, what the analysts believe this price surge has been drawn from, and a lot of their sentiment is the same things that I've been saying for the past few months, talking about how I believed that the US dollar was going to start tanking in value, that the economy is going to drive people into Bitcoin to find that new safe haven asset. A lot of people are being driven to gold and silver, and you can definitely see that on the market as well. The prices of those are going up, but I also believe that people are going to start seeing Bitcoin for what it is, and that is an alternative currency that can be used by the masses. And because of that, I think a lot of people are going to start seeing the value and the potential of Bitcoin that didn't see it before. They might not have understood, they might not have heard about it, they might not have thought anything of it, but now that the market is, going to be going down potentially, we could be seeing a lot more of these people, just your average Joe, start investing in Bitcoin. And because of that, and this was the term that they used in the CoinDesk article, is that this could be the perfect storm. And I tend to agree with that sentiment. I think that the COVID-19, along with a lot of market corrections that are overdue, were in store. Back in 2008, when the housing market collapsed, and I've talked about this quite a bit, the banks set up these mortgage-backed securities that could be sold on the open market, and instead of getting rid of those altogether, they just called them a different name, and they've been selling them under that name for the past 10 years. And because of that, we've started to see the same trend in the housing market that we saw back then in 2007, 2008. And I think we're due for a huge correction here, if not crash. So because of that, I think that home values are going to go down, and I think that with that, the rest of the market is going to go down as well. And again, your average investor, even your capital investors, are going to be seeking alternatives to find the best way to hedge their funds, but also maybe gain a little bit of interest on their investments. And I think Bitcoin could really see a net positive from this situation. And it's really unfortunate. I don't like the idea of the market crashing, because that means that a lot of people are going to lose a lot of money. People are going to lose their homes. We're already starting to see the number of evictions that are going to rise whenever the Senate and the House decide that that buffer is going to go away. The Congress decided to allow people this safe haven basically right now to not get evicted from their homes, but when that expires, people are going to get evicted from their homes. There's no doubt about it, and it's really unfortunate. But that's basically all I wanted to talk about today, guys. I definitely think that Bitcoin is going to continue to go up. We might see a little bit of a correction here because we did go pretty parabolic there for a couple of days, so we might see it dip down a little bit, but then I think the market is going to continue to go up as more people get invested in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. But that's going to be it for today, guys. Crypto Clay out.